Hi there, ninth grade digital photo. It's Miss Meekum coming at you live from my home studio here. You can see my buddy Piggy in the background, my pup. Just wanted to check in on you guys, see how you're doing. Let you know I'm thinking about all of you. I have been trying to communicate with everybody at least every few days this past week, just to check in and make sure you're all okay. I've heard from some of you, haven't heard from all of you. I understand these are strange times and home life and home responsibilities may have shifted a bit over the past week or so, but if you get a chance, let me know how you're doing. I really do care about you guys. I miss you. And I hope that we're back together in school sometime soon. I don't know how you all feel about that, but I know my own kids are kind of itching to get back. Um, I wanted to let you know that next week we will be starting some new material via distance learning. So be prepared for that and keep on checking your emails, your Canvas pages, your Remind app for any messages from me, as well as your other teachers. And just keep on informing yourselves, keep yourself educated about what's going on in the world. Stay healthy, obviously, wash your hands, get some exercise and some fresh air when you can. And I want to give you a challenge to send me a picture of just something on your phone, something that sort of sums up what your daily life has maybe looked like over this past week or so. I will post one as well. I'll create a space on Canvas for you all to do this, just so we can kind of like, I don't know, stay in touch, see what everyone's doing. And good opportunity to utilize some of those digital photo skills. I know you know about rule of thirds and a couple other compositional strategies. So, hey, practice it. Practice, practice, practice. Stay tuned. Keep checking in. I will post some more fun stuff for you guys later on in the week. And please email me, send me a message somehow. Let me know how you're doing when you get a chance. Okay? Miss you guys. Bye.